Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tips and tricks for the HTC U23 Pro. First of all, we can simply use the volume buttons. They are located on the right side. We can click on the volume up or volume down to take the photo. When you click right here, you can adjust the beauty mode. So when you take photo, you can just basically make it like it will look like a little bit smoother with this 10 level of the beauty mode. Next, you can just go to the normal photo mode, and when you click on the screen in the photo mode, you can find this sun icon when you can increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. And when you click and hold these buttons, the volume buttons in the normal photo mode, you can actually take the series of the photos. When you use this zoom feature between 1x, 2x and 0.6x, you can switch between them, but also you can click and hold. Let me show you, and you will unlock this slider. And in this phone we can actually zoom into the 8 times, and as you can see, the zoom quality is not bad. There is also the optic image stabilization. The screen is not shaking even with the 8x, so that's the good point of this phone. And next, we can also click right here to get this beauty mode like in the portrait mode. But when you click in the settings, you can simply get rid of the shutter sound, for example. You are also able to turn on the self timer between 3, 5, 10 and even 15 seconds. Let me show you. That's the countdown, and after this time the photo will be taken. I'm gonna turn it off right now. There's also the touch shot, so you can click on the screen and the photo will be taken. So you don't have to press on the shutter button, for example. Next, we can also switch function of these volume buttons. So from taking the photos, we can zoom in and zoom out. Just take a look. Zooming in and zooming out by holding volume up and volume down buttons. Next, if you want to get more details on your photos, you can go for the 108 megapixel mode. So when you take a photo like that, you will just get more details on your photos, but you have to wait for the post-processing. It will take a few seconds. And right now when you zoom in, you can find some details, like for example these pieces of the dust. There's something that we cannot actually see from this position, right? You cannot find these pieces of the dust when you take a look on it, but when you take a look on the photo and zoom in, you can just spot some details. When you go for the more modes, you can find, for example, the time-lapse mode. By tapping right here, we can also speed it up or slow down. There we go. And honestly, that's all camera tips and tricks for the HTC U23 Pro. Hope you like it.